Bien au la MK Team, c'est Ilyes, on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour une nouvelle vidéo, la traduction de la conférence de presse de Khabib et Tony Ferguson. Ce combat entre Khabib et Tony Ferguson est selon moi le combat de l'année au MMA entre deux combattants ultra dominateurs. Khabib invaincu, 28 combats, 28 victoires. Tony Ferguson, 12 victoires d'affilée. Sa dernière défaite, elle date d'il y a plusieurs années, c'était contre Michael Johnson. On peut carrément dire qu'il est limite invaincu, même s'il a deux défaites à son palmarès. Ce combat a été annulé à plusieurs reprises pour des blessures de part et d'autre, donc c'est vraiment un combat qui a une certaine histoire, qui a une certaine attente derrière lui de la part des fans. On a vraiment enfin envie de voir Khabib combattre contre Tony Ferguson. Juste avant de commencer la traduction de cette conférence de presse, je vous invite à vous abonner à ma chaîne YouTube et à activer la cloche pour recevoir les notifications. N'hésitez pas aussi à lâcher un petit pouce bleu en fin de vidéo, ça fait toujours plaisir. Et puis vous pouvez également me suivre sur Instagram et Twitter pour ne rien rater de l'actualité sportive. Tous les liens sont dans la description.
I'm actually going to spar this time. I haven't sparred since T-Bow. You didn't know that either. I don't think anybody knew that. So we're going to be sparring. I'm looking for sparring partners. So snapjitsu@gmail.com. Send me your fucking resume. Oh, wait, hold on. You like beating on high school wrestlers that are preparing for state the week before? Hold on. And you like making homeless do push-ups in New York and making fun of them. I owe you 2 to the stomach and you owe me 20 push-ups. But I will do the push-ups with you and you lose.
I think he deserves this, he is real challenge. I respect his skills, but like fighter, he's very good fighter, but why people don't like him? Because he's stupid guy, that's why. Nobody understand him.
I'm very educated, motherfucker.
Like honestly, he look like stupid, that's why nobody like him. But like fighter, he's very good fighter, and I respect his skill, and that's why he here, like biggest fight on the year, and we'll see, April 18. I like challenge, if you watch like when I fight Conor, when I fight Dustin Poirier, when I fight like all my fights, this guy is one of the best in the world, and when I watch my legacy in lightweight division, I think, hey, like I have to fight with Tony Ferguson, if I want to become greatest lightweight ever, I have to beat this guy. That's why I'm here, and
sign up to fight a hitman. I'm a contract killer in that bitch. Now I got a worthy opponent. I'm gonna stop you from fucking leaving that cage or jumping over it. He owes me money. He hurt on a high schooler. He warned with Daniel Cormier not to lock his hands. And he did the homeless thing. That's 3 strikes. You're fucking out.
So in other words, it has become personal, and you're a little bit more vested in this than you were previously.
Perfect. No, it's another fight. I'm taking that, and everybody else is hyping it up. I'm pretty cool. I really don't have to talk too much shit to Khabib. I really don't. The respect is there. Bullshit's there. I will bring in the pressure, the fuel and the fire with the 3-strike thing. It's a California man. It's 3-strike rule, dog. I don't know, Yoel's at 42 right now, which is kind of cool. Really, you can compete until you, whatever. Look at Conor, he's competing again. How much money can you make, but you miss it? I called it out. Conor's an athlete, Khabib's an athlete. We're gonna do this until, really, the personal's on them. Family, friends, whatever, always gonna have their opinions, but it doesn't matter. Depends on how much your mental toughness is out there competing, and then what you're gonna do with it. I have good support now. I've always had UFC support. I might not like many decisions from my old previous management and everything else that happened, but instead of bitching about it, we're here today and we're gonna make this fucking fight happen at UFC 249.
You seem to be in really great spirits. I commend you for going headfirst into some mental health issues and working through that. It takes a lot of courage as a professional athlete, especially. A lot of people look up to you.
Fuck you.
I was giving you props. I was just wondering.
Fuck the advice. Next question.
I wasn't giving you.
Alors, petite précision sur ce qui vient de se passer là entre le journaliste et Tony Ferguson. Donc, je pense que Tony Ferguson ne veut plus qu'on parle de ses troubles psychologiques et des problèmes mentaux qu'il a connus par le passé. Alors, pour ceux qui ne sont pas au courant, c'est ce qui a tenu en fait écarter Tony Ferguson de l'UFC pendant quelques mois. Il avait des crises de paranoïa, c'était peut-être même à la limite de la schizophrénie. Après, je ne suis ni médecin ni psychologue, je ne suis pas au courant des mots précis dont souffre Tony Ferguson. Ce qui est sûr, c'est que ça fait vraiment plaisir de le voir retrouver toutes ses capacités, toutes ses sensations et de le voir surtout de retour à l'UFC.
Mayweather said it'll take 600 million to get him to fight you. Any thoughts on that?
$600 million for what? Fight with me?
Fight you.
Who gonna give him this money?
Not me.
Not me too. I don't think Dana gonna give him $600 million. If you wanna fight, we can make fight like this. Okay, 11 round MMA, box, and 1 round MMA. If you make deal, let's go. We can fight. You know,
You don't
like,
have the
we're
fucking
already
conditioning for
we-
11 rounds. You
we
don't have the
already-
conditioning for 11 rounds. Doesn't
Hey,
matter
shut
what
up!
opponent.
I don't talk with you.
I don't talk to you either, dirty
No.
Q-tip.
Fucking
Fucking fat.
We already.
You're about the same size as like Cormier right now, dude.
Like we have option. You know, we already offered
No bullshit. Why are you talking boxing? I'm right here, dude.
$100
You're gonna
million
get outboxed
to
out
fight
there.
with him in the Middle East.
Fuck that shit.
We have offered.
You
You
need to
know,
work. You need to focus on one motherfucker.
I think Mayweather. He's a very big name. He's very big name. You know, and right now I have big name too, and we can fight, but we need like
Really big name. Khabib
11
Nurmagomedov.
round box, 1 round MMA. Let's go. I'm ready.
Ah, franchement, imaginez-vous un combat entre Mayweather et Khabib, 11 rounds de boxe et puis le dernier round au MMA. Dites-moi si vous êtes intéressé par ce combat, mais moi personnellement, je voyais un intérêt entre Floyd Mayweather et Conor McGregor parce que Conor McGregor, il est connu pour son striking et il a quand même des bases de boxe. Khabib, c'est pas du tout le cas. Khabib, lui, il est vraiment excellent au sol. Donc, est-ce que vraiment il va pouvoir résister 11 rounds de boxe? Bon, après, si le premier round c'est du MMA, il va plier Floyd Mayweather en deux, ça c'est sûr et certain. Mais en tout cas, je suis curieux d'avoir vos avis en commentaire.
Tony, I just wanted to ask you, you're wearing gloves, and I think you have a baseball with you. Any reason for that?
I told you I'm a fucking hitman.
Ah, taré, ce gars. Les gars, vous faites pas penser à un personnage de Mortal Kombat ou de Tekken, Tony Ferguson. Vraiment, il pourrait avoir son personnage dans un jeu vidéo. C'est un taré, c'est vraiment un taré, ce gars.
I never choose my opponents or fights. I'm the champion and I have to defend my title. Right now, contender is Tony Ferguson. After we can talk about this.
I'm a natural 170 pounder. I knocked out everybody at Ultimate Fighter at 170. GSP was the shit. He changed the game with his supplement nutrition, doing it the right way. He was the guy at my weight class that I was gunning for, man. That's the real one, man.
Like when I go to the cage, you know, I enjoy with my opponents, you know. I enjoy when I make them tired, when I make them tap, you know. Like with Tony, it's gonna be more tough than with my other opponents, but who knows? Who knows? We'll see. April 18 is gonna be very big night for lightweight division history, you know. And who win this fight is gonna be, this guy gonna be greatest lightweight ever. And I believe myself, I believe my skills, you know. And only one thing make me sad, like this guy become a little bit old. Only this one, you know, he 36, 37 years old. When I beat him, people gonna talk about like, oh, he's old now.
When I start having 21-year-olds outrun me, outwork me, and all this other good stuff, then we can talk. Until then, you're getting ankle
Like-
by a 12-year-old.
Like even 36 years old is not good for lightweight division. You know,
That's fucking who, dude?
this is not like heavyweight.
Watch when you get
or
your
light
ass kicked by
heavy.
an old
No.
man. I just got old
No,
man
we
strength.
will see, but when I smash him, when I make him
Can't
flat,
wait
when
to
I make
fucking
him
shut
tap,
your mouth with my
people
hand.
gonna talk about his
I'm gonna
old.
hit you so hard in your stomach, you're gonna piss fucking blood, kid.
Stupid guy.
Alors, en tout cas, c'est sûr, hein, vraiment le vainqueur. Si Khabib remporte ce combat contre Tony Ferguson, il y aura vraiment débat pour se demander si vraiment Khabib est le plus grand lightweight de l'histoire de l'UFC. Et puis pareil, franchement, si Tony Ferguson vient à l'emporter contre Khabib, le débat aura lieu aussi. Dites-moi ce que vous en pensez en commentaire. Hein. Vraiment, est-ce que ce combat, c'est non seulement un combat pour le titre chez les lightweights, est-ce que c'est aussi un combat pour le titre des plus grands lightweights de l'histoire? J'ai hâte de lire vos commentaires.
This kid's a bully. He's never been in a street fight, never actually been thrown into a trash can or any kind of shit like that. So now you're fucking with somebody that you don't want to. I don't have to bring this.
Sunglasses. In
I'm gonna
street
street
fight, I
fight you,
can eat you.
motherfucker.
You understand?
Whoa!
Who are you? You never fight in. You American guy. In American, you cannot fight in street.
There we go.
I am from real mountain. I can eat you in street fight.
Whoa, yo.
All you Americans, right, that are cheering for this little
I don't
bitch.
care all Americans. They know.
Love you.
They know where I'm from. I can eat you in street fight. What are you talking about? When you fight in street, tell me when you fight in street. Tell the
Last time I
people
fell on the
true.
street, man, it was a one-punch fucking knockout.
What? When you fight,
Okay.
I'm gonna broke you in street
Watch.
fight. You understand?
Oh
What
là
are you
là.
talking about?
Fallait pas énerver Khabib.
Fucking
Be
18
honest.
fights that he had
Turn
before
it.
the UFC
Okay.
were only 2 rounds.
No, no,
What
no,
the
no.
fuck? In professional sports,
Hey,
right?
They ask you
Professional
about
sports. You have to have 3 rounds in order to be declared a pro fucking sport. Now, I don't know what they do back at home, but over here, we fucking do it the right way.
you liar. Honestly, you lie. You don't worry about my skill.
You're getting mad, Khabib.
Of course I'm mad because you liar. You lie. I worry always about my opponents. You know, when I fight with Barboza, I worry about knee,
you're
about his
mentally
leg.
fucked.
When I fight with Conor,
Already
I
in
worry
your
about
head.
his left
Already
hand.
in your
When
head.
I
You're
tell
filthy
the
hat.
people
Let's
true,
go, motherfucker.
you worry
You
about
have no
me.
idea, man. You're learning from a fucking Mexican.
You
I'm
from
gonna kick
Mexico.
your ass.
You not real Mexican.
Oh.
Hey, you fake Mexican. What are you talking about? First you say you're American, now you talk about you Mexican?
Fake.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
My great-grandparents are from
You not
South
real
Mexico.
Mexican. You
Right
not
here,
real
I'm from
Mexican.
Chique Oxnard,
No,
motherfucker.
no, brother. You California guy. You're not Mexican. This is too different.
You can say what
is
you
not
want.
Mexican,
You're gonna have to
you know.
answer to me.
I am from Dagestan, Russia. You know.
You're gonna
I'm
have
from
to answer to me.
Khabib
You're not gonna have anybody in
Nurmagomedov,
there.
You know.
You ain't shit without your homeboys, motherfucker.
This is crazy guy. I told you he's a little bit stupid. Of course, he make me mad right now because he lie. You know, he lie. He's not Mexican.
You owe me 200K,
American guy.
bitch. Shut up.
He's fake Mexican. This one is true. You know, say true.
For
I'm
Tony.
American and I'm fucking Mexican and I'm proud.
Tony.
And I'm brown.
Now it's good. Now
Oh,
it's good.
motherfucker, I don't go tan.
Tell the people true. You're American and you're proud, but don't talk about Mexico.
Voilà, c'est déjà tout pour cette traduction de la conférence de presse entre Khabib et Tony Ferguson. Je vous le rappelle, le combat aura lieu le 18 avril à New York. Dites-moi en commentaire qui va s'imposer selon vous. J'aurai d'ailleurs l'occasion de faire une vidéo preview sur ce combat en vous disant, en rappelant un peu l'historique entre les deux combattants, le nombre de combats annulés, les compétences de chacun et comment je vois le combat se dérouler. En tout cas, vraiment, j'ai hâte. Merci de m'avoir suivi. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne YouTube, à lâcher un pouce bleu si vous avez kiffé la vidéo. On se retrouve très vite pour une prochaine vidéo. D'ici là, prenez soin de vous.